Say good morning.
Thank you for choosing Dunkin'. What can I get for you?
Can I get a small hot coffee with
4 cream.
with 4 cream and
Four.
4 pumps of French vanilla swirl?
2 orders of hash browns.
2 orders of hash browns.
And some bacon.
And snack and bacon.
1 order of snack and bacon?
Yep.
Alright, anything else?
That's it.
You ready to eat this Dunkin'?
Thank you.
That's exactly what I said. Woohoo!
Hello! Hello!
You want to wait till we get home? Okay.
Likes to get out.
Oh gosh. We're home. It's raining.
Watch out, mommy.
Ah!
We're going first aid kit.
That'd be a nice start to the trip, huh? You gotta clean the fridge. Look at that random piece of pizza just sitting on top of a Tupperware dish. I did not expect to see that. We got the fridge completely cleaned out. We're not gonna be home for a whole month. That's stuff we're bringing with us. That helicopter just shook my entire house. I was looking for this cute little black shirt. It's so cute. I got some cute little gold necklaces that are real short that go really nice with it. I'm gonna bring this, but I don't know if it's gonna fit in my bag. My bag's already slammed, but we'll see. These are my bags. Suitcase doesn't even want to close. I close my suitcase. Yes! Perfect. I feel like I got room to spare. These mongrels are coming up. I think I'm ready.
Spot up here.
We got our last few items in the car. We are about to leave. I'm gonna miss my house so much. But Virginia for a month. Here we come. Are you ready to get this show on the road? You've been ready, huh? Yeah, you do. It's freezing outside. It's cold and wet. And it's not that bad, is it? No, here. Just the outside is. Fix your hair a little bit. Didn't beat the rain. I wish we would have, and we didn't. It's cold and rainy. It is gonna be a cold, rainy trip, but we're ready. Virginia, here we come. Woohoo! Your favorite place?
My worst favorite.
Have a good time.
Thank you.
In McDonald's before we leave. Quick trip, chicken nugget.
Chicken nugget.
Spilled sweet and sour sauce all over me. Yay! Got an M&M McFlurry too. I love M&M McFlurries from McDonald's.
Mommy,
Hmm?
I done.
You're dumb?
I got Lady home.
Home? We're going to Virginia. Does anyone else dip their fries in their ice cream? It's so good.
Mommy, say that.
You're recording a video of you shoveling fries in your mouth?
Yep, and then give
You
them
almost
cake.
knocked this whole sweet and sour right on you.
We would have went home. Yep. Thank you for doing the deed. Raining outside. It's gonna rain this whole trip.
Are we from Raleigh?
In right now. Get some coffee inside our system. I need coffee bad. 1 hour away, and I could roundhouse kick you.
I don't know why though.
Our truck dropping salt.
Drop a salt on them haters.
Dropping salt, and it's hitting us. We not hating. I haven't seen one of those in years. Yeah.
Why is this mojo slowing down so much?
Cause the salt.
Salt! Oh my salt! That was rough.
Oh my gosh. Yes, it's right here down below. First one. Oh my god. This is beautiful. Good morning, Hazel. That view is just... That view is beautiful. You can't even see out there because it's so bright, but... So beautiful out there. I just woke up. It is 9 o'clock in the morning. I forgot to close out my video last night. So here I am, closing out today's video. But the house we're staying at, I think is a funeral home. Old one from the 90s? I don't know. We'll figure it out. The next video I post, we're gonna be looking more into depth about it. But forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you don't miss another video. We're in Virginia right now for the entire month, right here on the lake. So yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow's video because should be a very interesting one to say the least.